Hello and very good morning once again, observer at the bank of Assi River, observing the sun. As a sun editor, addressing to the International Criminal Court and Justice KGB Raw and MI6 and various security agencies. This is an international issue about international contamination. So I want to focus on this Hindu religion political mafias in Ala Hind. Yes, of course. Especially the security minister Rajnath Madhar Chodbur Chatna. Yes, my obligation is they have fucked my wife, sex trafficked, sexually abused, assault my child Amul. दूध पीता है इंडिया मादर चौध राजनाथ भोसड़ी चौध तेरी माँ का भोसड़ा तेरे आर्टिकल 4 की अरे बहन चौध जुठना साले तेरी माई बर्तन माजत रही का रे भोसड़ी के दूसरे के घरवा मादर चौध जूठल बूट चाटेला भोसड़ी के तोहार पहले का माल अरे मादर चौध पहले का माल ना पहले से ही कंट्रोल में रखते अपने भोसड़ी चौथ रजिस्ट्री हमार हमारी पे आर्टिकल 4 तोरे दलाल गुड्डू वरुण जैसे बहुत घूमेलन जहाँ दंपत्ति का वेयर द controversy is there between family, these peoples are fucking that family. Ultimately what you are doing, what they are going to give in Hindu Rashtra, let me be more specific. सबकी माँ चुनने वाली आर्टिकल 4 में ऑब्जर्व डिजिटल अरेस्ट 20 years back this traffication has been happened and I think so it was unbreakable. So who am I? Mission Impossible 1, huh? Yes. As the observer in the alien interview was telling that you can't comprehend and accept the discoveries of the maritime, in which one of the thing was the sun editing, because in 1947, in that era, when he arrived from future, the alien, he knows, and he knows many languages, approximately all in the universe, but why he like English? For that, when you will see the alien interview, how smartly he had answered. The questioner should also ask, do you know the another language? Then he should definitely say Bhojpuri and French. And if he said Bhojpuri, तो देखा गुरु हमार माल गैला हिंदू धर्म है ना एक मादर चौथ सप्तासुर हिंदू धर्म का वही में अंधासुर नरकासुर सब वाणासुर आए वही उसड़ी के पेट से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं दिखेला वाणासुर के मैं चिकने अब सड़ी के ऐसन मारम ना मुंह खोल के. So this Rajnath, this RSS, they are the real terrorists. So who is the politician? Let's be more specific. Mamata Banerjee is the real politician in simple dress, in simple chapel. No. This is not Modi's problem. Actually he was beggar, political beggar. Victim I am also, so I can understand. Whenever a beggar gets, well, let it be 1 rupee, he becomes king. भोसड़ी का न्यू ड्रेस. अबे तो चलाता रहता ना, तुझे मेरी माल मिली भोसड़ी चोद. बुढ़ौती में साले को तुम लोग को हाई RPM पे पेलेंगे, घबरा मत. न्यू पीपल आर गोइंग साले बुढ़ौती में तुम लोग के पोती पोता रिश्तेदार जो भी है कहेंगे अरे बब्बा था गुड़ चटना हुआ चला हिंदू धर्म। फिर भी धीरे से, चूंकि नाउ दे स्मार्ट है, कंप्यूटर जनरेटेड, AI जनरेटेड, सो पूछिए हाउ वाज द टेस्ट। बड़ा फ्री का माल तो उन लोग राष्ट्रवाद के नाम पे, धर्म के नाम पे सर they are spoiling the family. Minded observer has previously informed to the interviewer in that savior democracy. So, on the name of democracy, tribalism, nationalism, religion, racism, and drug traffication, organs traffication. अरे रे 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 तो उन लोग के कर्म का ध्यान नहीं है, गैला AK-47 लेके मारे तो जय श्री राम है, श्री देवियो बोलो जी जय श्री राम। राम के देखली घाटे पे लंडे लेके घूमत लन, सीता नहीं रहल था रणुआ पेल लेलस। वेलकम टू हिंदू रिलीजन। I tell the whole world, come and join, because here you will get the Dasi Pratha, the leakage, very good Jagriti Hindi religion, and come, and after that fuck your all the coming generation just like a Sirivan. Mutation is what? To mute, ultimately cease to exist. अरे कुंडिया माधर चोत, रजतवा भोसड़ी चोत, तेरी माँ का है साले, राष्ट्रवाद और धर्म के नाम पर सब ले तेरी माफियागिरी, और सामने वाले का भी लेते हुए है ना भोसड़ी चोत। Sir, take action. Otherwise, already, I think so, in democracy, maximum country, these things are going on. The result will be collapses, you know. Oh yes. What about Chinese sun? I have not seen the Chinese girl in this. Maybe they were smart or something. Yes, this is an exceptional case about China. Rest of the countries, nice that is going on. So, if there is and it is not out means, just like Rajnath, सबकी माँ चौधरी घबराओ मत, and public search, see for your daughter or wife or whether or dead person, whether they are on the .coms, just like example x52.coms or not. After that, what they have done, just take it out, the reality, and what you want to do, you can do. The dark side of Rashtravad.